Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have the account and permissions needed to change calendar visibility. This avoids surprises once you make changes. Open Outlook's calendar view. On desktop, use Ctrl+2 or select Calendar in the web app and identify which calendar or calendar group you want hidden. Once done, decide whether to hide an entire calendar, remove it from view, or unsubscribe. This choice determines the steps you'll take next and prevents accidental data loss or unwanted sharing. Now you focus on hiding the specific calendar. In Desktop Outlook, right-click the calendar name and uncheck it or choose Hide to remove it from your sidebar. If it's a shared calendar, select Remove to stop syncing. For calendar groups, collapse the group or remove the calendar from the group so events don't display. In Outlook on the web, click the three dots beside the calendar and choose Hide or Remove. This stops rendering events without deleting the underlying data, which keeps things reversible. Finish by confirming your changes. Refresh the calendar view or restart Outlook to ensure visibility updates apply correctly. If a shared calendar remains visible, check and adjust sharing permissions or unsubscribe entirely to stop receiving events. Once done, verify on mobile or web to confirm consistency across devices. If things go wrong, clear the Outlook cache, re-add the account, or check server sync status. These steps resolve most lingering visibility issues and get you back to a clean calendar view quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.